The High Tech High Graduate School of Education is unique because it's embedded into a working high school, middle school, and elementary school community. And I don't know of any other graduate school where you can have your study be part of your actual work in a seamless integration. Well, I think that every teacher should go to a graduate school like the High Tech High Graduate School of Education, and I think they should write their tuition check to Randy Shearer, 495. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm good. How are you? Are you okay?
Great. Thank
Okay.
you.